you starting to feel any of that fading?
No idea what the Ox is talking about.
What about the mountain? Remember anything?
Just that there's a city, and some seer who might help me. I wonder if anyone's on the platform, or if the train still runs. Another one of those spirits. Well, you're the camera guy. Give it a shot. Oh, why won't you just look at me? Oh, why won't you just look at me? Excuse me, is there a train to the Nameless City?
Hey, you hear that?
Shh, give her a second.
I thought you were in a hurry.
You're coming with me?
Can't exactly let a kid go off on her own. What's so funny?
Oh, nothing.
I'm Misa. What do you want with me? You're not the seer. The train isn't coming if he's not here. And why do you have a finding eye like his? Woof!
That deer gave it to me.
You fake! Woof! When you showed me that photo, I thought the seer had finally come for me. Even if it helps me remember who I am. But still, I only talk to the seer. Now go! Woof! What more is there to say? The train's not coming. And who's the little one beside you? She smells like shade. Woof!
She was nearly swallowed by it. We have to reach the Nameless City to break the Shade's curse.
If that's true, then fine. I'll call the train for you. But you figure out how to get your own tickets.
How do you know about the curse?
I made it up. Thought it'd make us sound more miserable.
I'm not miserable.
Wish I could say the same. It gave me a map. Maybe it'll give me tickets too.
Pretty sure I saw some golden flowers from somewhere inside. Hey, is that a vending machine? Feels like it's got stories to tell. There's a vending machine on the platform. You're actually kind of reliable, aren't you? can't believe that worked. You actually got the tickets. Want to show the tickets to Doggy?
You got the tickets. You must know how to please Nosa. Fine, I'll help you this once. But why was it you, and not the seer? You two. You're not the seer, but you can sit here anyway. You two. You're not the seer, but you can sit here anyway.
I think Doggy wants you to sit with her.
Oh, well.
Then I'll sit too. I wonder when the train is coming.
You smell like shade.
I think she means you stink.
Guess I'll have to sit next to you then.
Hey! Never mind. So what now?
Just thinking about the seer makes me so mad.
So why are you still waiting for the seer? He sounds terrible. Terribly nice.
What he means is, if you're still waiting, there must have been something good about him.
You get the seer. You're smart.
Who took that photo? Never mind.
Any minute now. The seer used the station was where we... Why am I even telling you this? We've known each other forever. But when the day came, he left without me. Said he couldn't take care of me. Like I ever needed him to. Spirits touched by shade carry this cold, lonely smell. They start forgetting things, until they can't remember anything.
Do you want to go find the seer?
Never. He's the one who should come to me.
That's too bad. You could have taken this kid to the Nameless City.
Who are you two anyway? Why do you care so much about the seer?
I'm just some guy who got lost. As for the kid... Hey, you remember your name yet? Never mind. Just give me something to call you.
How about Ren then?
You hear that? She says her name is... Ren.
A butterfly told me. Sounds nice, huh?
You're messing with me, right? Pick some other name. That one... That was my...
Attention passengers. Train 1414 bound for Nameless City is now boarding at platform 1.
How did I get myself into this? Hey, doggo, we're heading out. You sure you don't want to come?
He's the one who should come.
All right, then. Come on, Ren.
Thanks for keeping me company. And Ren, that smell on you is a sign of fading. You have to find the seer and get him to help. If you don't, it won't be long before you completely disappear.
It's that weird place from before. Where's Red? Where's the train? Why am I here again? Isn't this my photo?
Hey, are you making toys, Dad?
Not toys. These are totems. They're for Grandpa's fireball. Huh? You want one to play with? I can make you one.
Make me one!
I can show you how someday. Oh, but you're more into taking photos with Grandpa, aren't you?
I want to learn how to do this, too.
Why not learn both?
That's too hard.
Too hard, huh? Maybe stick with taking photos then. You'll cut up your fingers doing this. Give this to Grandpa.
Is taking photos easier?
Who knows? But your Grandpa's good at it. He even won some award after just a few years. You can make a living with that kind of skill. Not my kind of thing, though. Only he'd spend his retirement, but you can learn whatever you want, as long as the boss still wants me in this wood factory. But really, you should study to work in the city.
But I want to be like you.
As long as you...
What does that mean?
Eating well, sleeping well, always coming home to see me and Mom and Grandpa. That's living well.